What did he do? He tried to throw it and he spiked it.
Oh, God. Please tell me you got that on video. Please tell me you got that on video.
You know you could have tried to. All right. Who won? Who won? Bird. You get first pick.
Oh.
Wait, no.
Yeah, I get first.
You get to choose if you want first pick or if you want home.
I
want first pick.
Okay.
Well, one?
Yeah. Don't pick me.
All right, fine. I'll take cable.
I think I get
Yeah.
Oh, this actually.
And then just the same thing. All right, ready?
All-time pitcher is
No, we're doing it the same way as last time, all time. It won't be like this when we have an even amount of people.
I need a cold water.
Let's
like,
go.
I'm about to die.
Here we go. First pitch.
So dramatic.
Ball 5.
Oh, that's ball 5. Oh.
Comes full count. Oh!
That actually hurt.
This is gonna be hit right here. I don't know where it went. It went right behind me. It just got unfocused.
Get out, ball. Savvy. Okay, that's not fair. He doesn't know. He doesn't know. First pitch for Gabe Armand. Ball. Out and low. Second pitch. Strike. Third pitch. Swung and miss. Big whiff. That's fair. That's fair. He had a little dribbler right down the line to get down to first. Atta kid. Oh, did that hit you in the nuts? Yeah, that was too close.
I was just finished swinging and it just.
Pretty terrible. Four one.
Straight game. Better.
Dude, ew.
Strike 2. Damn.
Strike 2. Oh, that would it. Wait. Oh, sh. Big bird up, let's go. Oh, he got a hit. He got a hit. He got a hit. Gabe's going third. Oh, it's not focused. Gabe go 4. This phone's not focused. This game is not focused. Savion is on third. Freaking stay there.
Let's go. Let's go. Three to nothing.
Huh?
3-0. Out of baby. Carson Keeler.
Oh, is that fair? That's fair. No, I went around the base. Big bird up. Oh, he gets it. He hits it. Hey, Savion, you gotta get there as quick as you can. Savion did not get there as fast as he could, so they threw it to the pitcher before he got it first. Okay. Again, I've done it before, I'll do it again. Okay, I think I just jinxed myself. They're throwing at the kid. Oh.
Safe! Safe! Drop it, drop it. Dang.
Gabe, do you watch Blitzball videos on YouTube? Let me grab you in.
Foul.
Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it.
Oh. Dang.
I get it in, Eddie. Come in, Eddie. Almost got it.
So what? Oh, that's. I can't swing at that from the court.
Oh! God. King of JUCO type activities. Go to first. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Atta kid, Savion with his first hit on this team. Bird. Only swing at it if it's right down the middle. Take a walk if you have to. Like bull crap like that, don't swing.
That's the ball. That's the low.
Then 5-1. 6-1. Good night, nurse!
All right, this is the hottest thing ever. We basically just want to go home out in this game. Carson's 0-1, Bird's 1-0. And
Should be
we're
1-0,
only
but I
playing
mean,
one
okay.
from here on out today. So peace out.